Stop scrolling. Sci-Fi is finally real. From earbuds that let you control your computers with your mind, to a laptop that literally splits in half to solve your work from home problems forever. Okay guys, CES 2026 has come to a close and we need to talk. Some of this stuff is genius, some of it is weird, and one of these gadgets might actually replace your phone. Let's dive in.
Welcome to the real spot, where the real start. Hit play, lean back, let the good vibes roll.
First up, we have the Naqi Logix neutral earbuds. Now, they look like regular earbuds, but they're hiding a secret. They're basically a brain-computer interface. They aren't reading your thoughts exactly. They use biosensors to read micro gestures. A tiny jaw clench, a blink, or a subtle head tilt turns into a command. We're talking about browsing a web or even controlling a wheelchair completely hands-free and voice-fied. They won the Best of Innovation Award for accessibility this year. And honestly, it's wild. Imagine controlling your smart home without speaking or lifting a finger. It feels like magic, but it's just really smart tech. Next, let's talk about the Solos AirGo Vision. Every year companies promise us smart glasses, but these might actually be useful. They have ChatGPT and Gemini built right in. The killer feature here is the camera combined with AI. You look at the menu in a foreign language, it translates it instantly. You see a landmark, it tells you the history. It's like having Google search glued to your face. They're modular, so you can swap frames, and battery lasts about 10 hours for music. The big question is, are you ready to walk around with a camera on your face? Let me know in the comments. Okay, this one is for the smart home geeks. Samsung's Ballie is back for 2026, and it's basically BB-8 for your house. It follows you around, learns your routine, monitors your pets, but the 2026 upgrade is a projector. It can project movies, video calls, or workout videos on the floor, on the wall, or the ceiling. It automatically adjusts the angle, so pictures are always perfect. Now, it's cute, it's creepy, and I kinda want one. If ever wanted a robot butler, yeah, that can also play Netflix. Now for the productivity beast. This is the Lenovo ThinkBook Plus Gen 5 Hybrid. Terrible name, amazing concept. It looks like a Windows laptop until you rip the screen off. When it's attached, it's a powerful Windows PC. When you detach the screen itself becomes a fully functional Android tablet. And the bottom half, you can plug it into a monitor and keep using it as a Windows desktop. It's basically two computers for the price of one. If you're a hybrid worker, who needs a tablet for the couch and a PC for the desk? This solves the which device to buy problem instantly. Our last pick, we're throwing out the futuristic AI to go back to 2008. Remember when typing on a phone actually felt like typing? This is Clicks. It adds a full physical keyboard to the bottom of your iPhone, even an Android device. Yes, it makes your phone longer. It looks a little ridiculous, but here's the genius part. Because the keyboard is down here, you get your entire screen back. No virtual keyboard covering half your content. Plus, it has shortcuts. Command plus space for search, spacebar for scroll. It turns your iPhone or your Android device into a mini computer. Is it bulky? Yes. Is it weird? Absolutely. But for power users, it's oddly satisfying. I want to know, team touchscreen or team buttons? Would you actually use this in 2026? Or is it touchscreen king? Vote in the comments below. If you enjoyed this, look at the future, hit that like button so YouTube knows it's good tech. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Welcome to the real spot, where the real start. Hit play, lean back, let the good vibes roll.